In this video, I will show you how to block out specific dates in Hostinger website builder booking system. This is a website that I've built using Hostinger website builder, and this is my booking system. As you can see, this website visitors can book with me a 1-hour personal training session. If I click on book now, as you can see, I work all week except Saturdays and Sundays. Let's say that I want to mark this specific Friday, 17th of January, because it is a holiday, for example. How to do that? Simply log in to your Hostinger account, then go to websites. On this account, I have multiple websites, and this website is this one. So instead of going to edit website, let's go directly to the store management area. Now click on appointments from this left sidebar. This is my current calendar, and to block this Friday 17th of January, instead of editing your availability, go directly to block time. As you can see from this new window, you can block out specific dates when your schedule differs from your regular hours. Let's locate January 17th. This is it. Click on it. It is added here below your unavailable dates. Now click on save. Let's refresh this page. Now, when this website visitor clicks on book now, and if he tries to book this specific date, as you can see, it is grayed out or unavailable for booking. This is 17th, and he can't click on this exact specific date. And this is how to block out a specific date in Hostinger website builder booking system. If you have a question, let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.